If you've been looking for the next big AI tool to elevate your business or creative projects, Informly's new Idea Validator AI software might be just what you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this freshly released software. Stick around until the end because I'll share some insights on whether it's worth your time and how you can try it completely for free with a link below. First off, let's talk about what Informly Idea Validator AI actually does. This software is designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators assess the viability of their ideas before committing time and resources. You can input any idea, whether it's for a product, business, or campaign, and the tool will give you instant feedback based on data-driven insights. One of the standout features of Informly is its speed and ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even if you're new to AI tools. You simply type in your idea, and within seconds, the software provides a detailed analysis, offering suggestions on how to improve it or if it's worth pursuing at all. Now, let's dive into the first of the 7 crucial things you need to know. Accuracy. Informly's AI uses a wide range of real-time data sources, including market trends, customer sentiment, and even social media mentions to assess the potential of your idea. This makes it one of the most accurate idea validation tools I've come across. Next up, actionable insights. Unlike other AI tools that just give you a score and leave you guessing, Informly's Idea Validator provides clear, actionable steps you can take to improve your concept. Whether it's tweaking your messaging or targeting a different demographic, the software doesn't just leave you with a yes or no, it helps guide you towards success. Another key point is flexibility. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or part of a larger marketing team, Informly can handle a variety of use cases. From launching a new product to creating targeted ad campaigns, this software adapts to your needs, making it a versatile tool in any marketer's arsenal. Moving on to the user experience parte, which is often overlooked in AI tools. Informly has done a great job here by focusing on simplicity. You don't need to get bogged down in complex settings or jargon. The process is quick and straightforward, so you can get back to working on what matters most, your ideas. Let's also touch on cost efficiency. Many idea validation tools on the market can be expensive, but Informly offers a free trial so you can test out the software and decide if it's right for your business before committing to any plans. I always appreciate when a software gives you a chance to try it risk-free, and Informly does just that. Another thing you should know is that it's constantly improving. Since the software is relatively new, it's being updated regularly. This means you can expect new features, better functionality, and a more refined experience as time goes on. If you're looking for something that evolves with your business needs, Informly's Idea Validator is a solid choice. Lastly, let's talk about community and support. If you ever run into an issue or have questions, Informly's support team is there to help. They have an active user community where you can share experiences and get tips from others who are using the software. Plus, their customer support is responsive and quick. So if you're interested in trying out Informly Idea Validator for yourself, I've included a link in the description for a free trial. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this is one of the best new AI software out there. And don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description. After using countless options, these are the ones I keep coming back to. Try them out and see how they can help take your business or projects to the next level.